The Wiggles are an Australian children's music group formed in Sydney, New South Wales in 1991. Since 2013, the group members are Anthony Field, Lachlan Gillespie, Simon Pryce, and Emma Watkins. The original members were Field, Phillip Wilcher, Murray Cook, Greg Page, and Jeff Fatt. Wilcher left the group after their first album. Page retired in 2006 due to ill health and was replaced by understudy Sam Moran, but returned in 2012, replacing Moran. At the end of 2012, Page, Cook, and Fatt retired and were replaced by Gillespie, Pryce, and Watkins. Cook and Fatt retained their shareholding in the group, and all three continued to have input into its creative and production aspects. Field and Fatt were members of the Australian pop band The Cockroaches in the 1980s, and Cook was a member of several bands before meeting Field and Page at Macquarie University, where they were studying to become preschool teachers. In 1991, Field was inspired to create an album of children's music based upon concepts of early childhood education and enlisted Cook, Page, and Fatt to assist him. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.